doing? The heck are you doing? Cooking essential oils. This is just a really simple recipe, and I have a lot more recipes to share with you for food and drinks. Dang it, I don't have any ginger.
Anyway.
Hi guys, so a lot of people wonder, how do you cook with essential oils? So if you think about it, they're just like herbs, but they're like way stronger. So when you use them, you're only gonna use a little bit. So like, I'm gonna make a chicken recipe today, and it's really simple and easy. What's really nice about them too is that you have them in a little bottle, so you don't always have to have the real ingredient on hand if you don't have it. Like for instance, we're gonna use ginger today. So it's a really super easy recipe for chicken with a little bit of an Asian flair to it, and I'm going to be using the ginger essential oil because I don't have any ginger on hand. And I still might use the ginger if I had it, and then also put the oil in it too, because it just enhances the flavor that much more. So this is my little cabinet here. These are the oils that I usually cook with. So I have basil, ginger, I have black pepper, turmeric, cilantro, rosemary, celery seed, and lime. And I usually have oregano in here, but sometimes I'll grab different ones for other purposes in my household too, so I don't have that one in here right now. And then we just got our 3 cooking cuisine oils too, so we're gonna be using those very soon. I also have fennel and thyme here too, so these are also 2 really good ones. So the rule of thumb when you're cooking with essential oils, like I said, is you only need a little tiny bit. So like 1 to 2 drops is all you're gonna need. If something is really potent, like let's say oregano or even peppermint, you might just take a toothpick and put it in the oil, take it out, and then wipe it like on your chicken or something, and when you're marinating. Ginger is not too bad. I usually use like 2 to 3 drops in a recipe, even if I'm using real ginger in the recipe too.
So I have cereal, and that's like almost out, so we need to get more and go to the store. So I really want it because it's
Kyrie likes to put ginger in her cereal.
what?
For our simple Asian chicken, we're gonna need some aloha shoyu or soy sauce, some Kikkoman sesame oil, and we're gonna do some raw honey. And then you're going to need your doTERRA essential oil and ginger. So I will put all the actual measurements in the description, but we're going to add all these in here and make our little marinade. And then we're going to put the chicken in there and we'll just let it sit. Oh, we have to add some garlic too. So we're just going to mix that up really good. You can put it in the microwave if you wanted to, but don't do it in this kind of a bowl, obviously. So you're going to put all your chicken in there, mix it around, get it all nice and soaked up in there. And then you're going to cover it with a plastic, put it in the refrigerator, and just let it sit for at least 20 minutes to overnight. And then we're going to preheat the oven. We're going to actually singe the outside. So we're going to put it on 550, which is broil. We're going to put all the chicken in your pan, and we're going to put it in the oven and broil it on both sides until it gets kind of singed, and that way it's going to hold all of our juices in. So we're putting that in there now, and it's singed. So we're going to take it out. You'd have to watch it really closely on this part, and then we'll just take the marinade and pour it all over there, and we're going to singe the other side. So first, of course, we have to turn it over, and then we're going to singe the other side. And then it's all done. So we're going to put the marinade over it again, and then we're going to cover it with some foil. We're going to put it back in the oven on 350, and then we're just going to keep baking it until we smell it. When the smell fills your house, your chicken is done. And here it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. See, it's really easy to cook with essential oils. It's not hard at all, so don't be afraid of it. Just try it out, go for it, and I think you're really gonna love it. So don't be afraid to cook with essential oils. They're the same, you're gonna use the same herbs as you normally would do in a recipe. You're just gonna grab essential oil, put a couple drops. Just remember they're really potent, you don't need as much, and they're very full flavored, so you're gonna love it. There's also a lot of really cool drink recipes that you can make with essential oils that give them lots of flavor and the benefits of the oil. And one of my BFFs has a great recipe book on this. Move. What? Because I'm trying to do my video. You can also use essential oils for drinks, smoothies, alcoholic drinks, non-alcoholic drinks, and they add a lot of flavor to it, and it adds a healthy twist to your food or drink.
Gorgeous face.
No, I can't be as more like. Hi guys, it's Dana, and today we're gonna do some cooking with essential oils. So, anyways.
No, don't do that.
Okay.
Gotta
Do you ever
run.
feel like you don't have a certain product in your cabinet? It's so commercial. And Kira, you're laughing at me.
No, I'm laughing at Mimi, the screen. I'm just laughing because Mimi's head looked way bigger than you.
So the rule,
I don't know.
or like a spatula, or like that.
Oh! I'm not doing that.